What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be building some Wolverine Claws. So let's go drive to Home Depot really quick. Where'd he go? Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. For some skating gloves and some super glue, because if you didn't read the title, then we're gonna make Wolverine Claws and we need skating gloves. If you guys know what I'm talking about, then you know. If you know, then you know. Yes, gloves.
That's like the kind of gloves you want, though.
I don't care. That honestly is perfect. I mean, we don't have to find skating gloves, you know.
See what else they have.
Okay. Yeah, these fit. Okay. Yeah.
2 pairs of those?
Wait, why 2 pairs?
We'll cut the tips off
Oh, that's a good idea.
and we'll slide them over each other.
Wait, what? I was thinking, so guys, you see like this right there, that indent? I was thinking we could cut it like right where that stopped. Wait, I wish you guys could feel this on camera. But oh my word, it's so soft. But then, wait, what? Why is it soft? Okay, yeah, these are good. Even though they have green on them, whatever. Also not sponsored. Yeah, these are good. Alright. Because we could just cut like where it stops right there. Okay. Let's head to the checkout.
This one does not care. This one's a credit card. Please use my debit card.
Alright guys, let's head home. We're gonna go make that claws, those claws.
That's what she said.
Alright guys, well right now this is our workspace, but we gotta clean it up. So let's...
We gotta cut 6 nails out of this thing for Wolverine's gloves. And to do that, we have metal scissors. They're called tin snips.
harder than it looks. Wait, is there something under here? Yeah. Can someone get me an anvil and a hammer? Alright guys, we got them finished. Now we just gotta cut this out. Well, actually, I feel like we should leave it like this because this honestly looks really cool.
I got an idea. I think we'll cover up the metal pieces and just leave the claws sticking out at the end.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Second gloves.
Okay guys, watch this. I tested this earlier. I can cut through paper. But you have to rebend them. I'm not like... I'm gonna go grab a banana. Okay, guys. So, we just finished these. And pretty cool. So, I'm gonna go try and grab an apple. Alright guys, I have an apple right here. I'm gonna see if I can cut through it. I feel like I already know the answer to this. No way! Ow. That honestly. I can cut through a banana. Bruh. Alright, guys, well, we have the apple. I'm gonna see if I can fully destroy this apple. I destroyed it! First try, too. Really, hey. No. Look at that damage. That's some emotional damage right there.
Emotional damage!
No way. I just cut through the core of the apple. Look at that. Digging through. I would say I tried it. I tried it, but it's been on the ground.
You don't want to eat it?
You know what, guys? If this video hits 500 views, I'll do it.
You'll eat it?
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it right now because it'll probably rot. I'm trying to cut it. Okay, I have a piece. I won't cut my tongue. Not bad. I mean, it's a tiny piece. Wait, is this how Wolverine eats? He just cuts apples up with his claws? This is honestly way harder than it looks. It just tastes like a normal apple. Destroy that apple! Alright guys, well, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button with your claws. Well, actually, you break your phone screen, so don't do that. No. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Also tell Wolverine I said hi. Bye.